Nikki and welcome to this week's new release video. I've got two new collections for you guys with it's a newer format. It's just a little bit updated from what we had before. I had to remove the icons that we had in the kits. I tried really hard to make those work, but it was giving me a lot of issues as far as alignment goes. And I wanted to be able to combine the Luxe kit and the base kit into one kit because that was just so much to have those two versions plus the micro. So I'm going to kind of go over kit format as well as obviously both of these collections and what we're gonna do. So for the Facebook group, it is Facebook group coupon weekend. So if you are interested in that, I do keep that link down below. But what I wanna try is instead of having the $12 kits and then the regular priced kits, what we're gonna do is the 4-page base kit like this will be $12.95 for the weekend. So these will be going up probably Thursday evening. They'll be unlimited stock for the remainder of the weekend, and then they will revert back to the regular price. We're gonna try that out. I'm gonna see how it goes. So the two base kits for these two collections will be, like I said, $12.95 for this weekend. Then they will go back to regular price. The Facebook group coupon does not apply on top of that, but it will work on the micro version of the kit or anything else in the shop. So we're gonna try that out. Hopefully it works out so that it is a little bit less work on the back end as far as printing two different options. So the first new collection that I've got here is called Vacation, and I love this one. I'm gonna adjust my lights just a bit. Okay, so hopefully you can see the foil a little bit better. So I wanted to do something really fun and spring-like. I know that we really can't go on vacation right now, but here's to hoping at some point. So we've got a suitcase up top as well as the other side of it down on the bottom. This adorable beetle that has got the luggage up top. We've got this cute little crop top and then this foiled purse. Also, this is rose gold foil. Coffee, as well as this cute little traveler's notebook. I think I want to make that into an icon sheet as well. Luggage, this cute roller skate. We've got a little scooter down at the bottom, which I thought was so cute. Camera, and then like I said, the other side of that suitcase. So full box sheet format didn't change for that. Your second sheet here has got some changes. I'm gonna zoom you guys just a bit so I don't have to hold these up. So we've got boxes in just various different formats. I did update our bow to a new bow shape. I did add in, I can't even remember, I would need an older sheet, but I think that we got a couple more rows of boxes, and then we've still got the bow checklist down here, 2 appointment labels, 2 of these really cute little scalloped circles, and then one of the, it's kind of like the fancy floral box that we did a couple of weeks back, and then there are some functionals down here. So I hope you guys like this reformat. Like I said, I really wanted to keep the icons in, but it was just causing way too many problems. We had way too many of them being oopsed out. So for this, I wanted to try to do a kit that would be hopefully less oops, and that way we would be able to combine the base and the luxe to have that like special price through the beginning of the release. So that is your second sheet. Third sheet has got your headers. You've got a checklist here. I did replace the Monday through Sunday with the bows, but there are still the same amount of them. You guys can let me know if you like that or not. I thought that it looked cute, and that way it could be used either way. We've got a 3-bow checklist, a 2-bow checklist, or 2 of the 2-bow checklist, boxes, and then washi down at the bottom. And then your last sheet, the only update I believe was just the change in bow. And then you've got this really cute washi that has got the different luggage going across the bottom. You've got your date covers, your headers, 2 trackers, and yeah, so that is the new format. You guys let me know if you like it. I hope you guys do. I think this one is gonna work out much better for us. So we've got the vacation version, and then I did update the micro kit just to match the newer bows. So this is the new micro kit. I also did replace some of the bow checklist with an extra box and an extra 2 bow checklist. You guys can let me know if you like that as well, or if you needed all of those checklists. I did a poll, and a lot of people don't use the checklist. I don't either, but for the larger version of the kit, I got quite a few messages requesting that there's still at least 7 because they use one every day. I'm gonna assume for the micro kit that's probably not the case, since it's used in a smaller planner. So we've got 3 full boxes, a bunch of boxes, half boxes, quarter box, or not half boxes, but quarter boxes, and then I don't even like labels, I guess is what I would call these. You have got the replacement for the tracker here with the same bows. Again, let me know if you guys like that. And then you've got your functionals down on the bottom. And then your second sheet has got some boxes. You've got washi, a row of headers, that same luggage washi, and then your date covers down at the very bottom. So not any big changes on the micro version of the kit. And then the second collection that we have got for this week is called Plant Life. I love how this ended up turning out. So we've got a lot of foiled plants. I thought it was super cute. So for this particular kit, we don't normally do this unless I offer them in like an additional box set of girls. But for this one, I wanted to do, oh no, did I print this wrong? You guys, I printed it wrong. I even reprinted because one of these messed up. Oh my goodness. Anyway, so here I've got both of them deep skin tone. There is a light skin tone option. I thought that I printed the right thing. I did not. So you will have the choice of either the deeper skin tone or the lighter one. I will have the images up on the website. I can't believe I did that. I even took the time to go back and reprint because the original one had messed up when I foiled it. But yeah, so I love how this turned out. I think it is super fun. And then the colors are really different. I really like the color palette as well. So here is your box sheet. You've got your headers and your washi. And then your bottom washi here has got your like succulents kind of hanging, which I thought was really cute too. So there's that. And then you've got the micro version of this kit, which does not include the girls. So this one won't have that choice. You've got your foiled box there in the center and then just the same format. So yeah, that's this week's new releases. I hope you guys love them. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you've got any questions or anything, you can ask in the comments down below. If you have any suggestions for format, please leave that in the comments down below as well. And I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.